In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed music playlists in Notion from platforms like Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, YouTube, and Soundcloud. If you've ever wanted to enhance your Notion pages with dynamic musical content, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps to seamlessly embed playlists into your workspace, making it miles more engaging and interactive. First, you'll need to open your connected Notion workspace. If you're already familiar with navigating through Notion for your projects, wikis, or documentation, this should be a breeze. Make sure you're signed in to keep everything smooth and uninterrupted. If not, you can log in easily by clicking on the Login button on the top right corner. Enter your credentials and hit Enter, and you'll be taken to the Notion homepage. Once you've landed on your homepage, locate the page where you want to include your playlist. It could be a workspace page dedicated to a project, a mood board, or even your personal jotter. Simply click on the page to open it. This is where the magic starts to happen. To initiate the embed process, you'll need to use Notion's block command feature. On your selected page, type in Embed in the body section of the page. The / command is a powerful tool in Notion that allows you to effortlessly add different functionalities and content types to your pages. And in this case, it will let you embed almost anything you can imagine. Next, you'll need the link to the playlist you want to embed. Head over to Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, YouTube, or Soundcloud to grab the URL of your desired playlist. Make sure to copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Some services, like Spotify, also offer an option to share and get a playlist link directly from their interface, which ensures you're copying the correct link. Once you have your playlist link ready, go back to Notion, where you typed Embed. Now, paste the link you've just copied into the Embed dialog box that appears. Notion will process the link and display your playlist directly onto the page in a neat, interactive format. This allows you to listen to music or showcase selected playlists without ever leaving your Notion workspace. And there you have it. Embedding playlists in Notion not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your pages, but also adds an interactive element that can elevate your mood and productivity. This method works seamlessly across several music streaming platforms, granting you the flexibility to choose where you source your tunes. Remember, adding music to your workspace is not just about creating a better visual experience, but also about setting the right atmosphere for your work or study sessions. Enjoy exploring your playlists and let them inspire you as you navigate through your Notion pages. Happy embedding!